Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. This is a platform where you can engage with us, talk to us on various issues that that you probably want to talk about, if only you will let us know about it. And you can engage with us on topics we discuss live on the internet. And you can also write into us with your posts, your audio and video comments, your feedback on Twitter. Hashtag is India Post Live and handle is @India Post Live. So today we are going to bring you the 5 films that you must wait for till Diwali. The 5 major films, Bollywood films that India is waiting for till Diwali. We're just going to give you a short preview of each of those films, and let me also tell you that on Thursday we will definitely do a preview of Mary Com. We are not doing Mary Com in this particular show because we will be talking about it the day after tomorrow. It's a glorious Tuesday today, and what better than to start the show with Hrithik Roshan. Bang Bang. All right, so it's a viral trailer. The trailer has gone completely viral. Fans of Hrithik Roshan are screaming for more. The trailer has a very international appeal. There are some amazing sequences. You will see Hrithik Roshan jetting out of the water, zipping fast cars, and of course fighting the bad guys. He is saving the day. You have the beautiful Katrina Kaif to give him company. Okay, let me not talk more. Take a look at the trailer first.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang, bang.
Are you ready to blow? It's a yes or a no. Pull the trigger and go. Are you ready to blow? It's a yes or a no. Pull the trigger and go.
Alright, so you saw him driving that F1 car on the streets of Abu Dhabi, and the director Siddharth Anand has promised that this is the first, this kind of an action sequence is the first that is going to be seen in Bollywood. So lots of reasons there to watch out for Bang Bang. But let me try and get you a fan of Hrithik Roshan, our very own Ankit from India Post Live, and he will tell us why he is waiting to watch the movie. Ankit, are you excited about Bang Bang? Bang Bang, by the way, releases on the 2nd of October. So Ankit, are you waiting for Bang Bang, and why?
Yeah, of course. It's one of the major films of this year, and Hrithik Roshan is next to Amir Khan. So when he chooses a movie, people have he has a reputation, and people from all age group, families come and watch his movie. So, and the only thing is that the trailer of Bang Bang has already crossed 12 million views.
Yes.
So you can imagine how the excitement is building up. And just for the director Siddharth Anand, he's directing this movie after 4 years. His last movie was in 2010, that too Anjana Anjani. So after 4 years, taken a long gap, and he has taken some serious efforts to make one particular really action thriller film. So I guess people would love it, and I'm really excited to watch this film with Hrithik and Katrina. You know, they were amazing parents, Zindagi Na Milegi
Yes,
Dobara,
yes,
and
the
watching
chemistry.
them again on screen would be really a viewer. It's an entertainment delight. So I guess this movie will break initially all records.
All right. Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you so much for joining us with that update.
Thank you.
And of course, the movie is being produced by Fox Star Studios, which is a reason why we can expect some magnificent production quality, of course. And also, let me tell you my personal reason why I'm watching the film. It is an official remake of Night and Day that starred Tom Cruise and Cameron Diaz. And I can tell you it was a very cute film. I really liked the film. I would love to see what Siddharth Anand has done to whether he will be able to justify the magic. He will be able to recreate the chemistry that Tom Cruise and Cameron Diaz seem to have, and the chemistry seemed to come so easily. Of course, Cameron and Tom Cruise are good friends, so the chemistry came through. But like Ankit said, there was a wonderful chemistry between the two of them in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So that's the reason I'm waiting. And as you can see on your screen, Lots and lots of bang bang, expectations from that movie. And though Siddharth Anand had said that there aren't much similarities to the plot, but I'm sure that like all these people here, Hrithik Ki Jyoti, excited, the new song from Bang Bang, Meherban is releasing. Okay, it's releasing on tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's 3rd September. Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, we see a fairy tale. That is how someone has chosen to explain Bang Bang. I don't know if it's a fairy tale, but definitely some amazing action sequences, chases, thrillers, and of course, Hrithik Roshan. What more can one ask for? All right, let's move on to the next. Next, we have Haider. Haider is Vishal Bharadwaj's next dark film. And once again, that film is also something that you should wait for. Why? The expectations are high because of the Kashmir angle and because once again, as is Vishal Bharadwaj's specialty, he has adapted a Shakespeare novel, Hamlet. So Haider is an adaptation of Hamlet with a Kashmir angle, and we will see a bald Shahid Kapoor. So let's take a look at the trailer first and then we'll talk about it.
हैदर, मेरा इंतकाम लेना मेरे भाई से। उसकी उन दोनों आंखों में गोलियां दागना जिन आंखों से उसने तुम्हारी मां पर फरेब डाले थे।
आपने धोखा दिया मुझे। तू जाएगा या नहीं?
All right, so that is Haider, and what I was talking about, the reasons I would love to watch the movie. This time, Vishal Bharadwaj, I mean, every time he does the same thing, but he has taken seasoned actors. Shahid Kapoor has proved his acting skills, his sincere acting skills in films like Mausam and Kamine. Shraddha Kapoor has been accepted after Ashiki 2, and I don't think I need to say anything about Tabu. So it seems to be a very good combination. And we have been hearing reports that again the chemistry between Shahid and Shraddha is sizzling. Let's take a look at what people out there, movie goers, movie buffs, why they are waiting to watch Haider. Take a look.
I have read Hamlet, so I'm hoping that Haider would be a very good adaptation of that.
मैं हैदर मूवी इसलिए देखने जाऊंगा क्योंकि शाहिद कपूर का हेयर स्टाइल नया हेयर स्टाइल है और उसकी पहली मूवी श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ है।
Really like to watch that movie because it's realistic.
Mainstream commercial movies, I think, not like Happy New Year or something. The most commercial movies, that Salman Khan kind of movies, I really don't like that stuff. And plus it's an adaptation of William Shakespeare, Hamlet.
All right, now Shakespeare's works have always been a very good choice for filmmakers, but one person who has again and again and again done justice to Shakespeare's Indian adaptations of Shakespeare's novels is of course Vishal Bharadwaj. And in this film, the music is also by Vishal Bharadwaj, so I'm sure we can expect some very gritty scenes set in the scenic beauty of Kashmir. Let's take a look at another promotional, which is the dialogue promo of the film. Let's take a look at that first.
वरना तू भी डिसअपियर हो जाएगा अपने बाप की तरह।
मैं खुद की अपनी भाई गायब है कई महीनों से।
डिसअपियर्ड लोगों की बीवियां आधी बेवा कहलाती हैं, हाफ विडोज।
Like I said, it's going to be gritty. She talks of half widows, and of course, how could I forget KK Menon? I just saw him and realized, oh, even he's there in the film. Okay, so to talk more about the film, I have with me Megha. Megha is a film buff, and she loves watching movies as much as I do. I'm sure both of us will have a great time talking. Hi, Megha. Welcome to India Post Live.
Hello.
Hi. You're waiting for Haider as much as I am?
Yeah, definitely I'm waiting as much as you're waiting for that.
Yeah. Okay, I've given my reasons. My reasons are seasoned actors. My reasons are Kashmir. My reasons are Shakespeare, Hamlet. My reasons are Vishal Bharadwaj's music. What are your reasons?
Okay, definitely adding up to your reasons, I would like to add one more reason, that the most important thing is the ethical issue. That is the issue being raised. Is the first thing, literature. It's a combination of literature plus the need of the our issue, that is Kashmir issue.
Right.
So definitely the scenic beauties of Kashmir and everything, these things definitely attract the audience, what I see. And the new look of Shahid Kapoor,
Yes,
that
the
is
bald
going
look.
to attract people. That is,
So-
and his acting, he has already proved up till
Yes.
now.
Yes. So are you like me? Do you cry when you watch very, very emotional scenes? I cry a lot when I watch movies. Are you expecting to cry while watching Heather?
I definitely cry, but not in all movies.
All right. Thanks so much, Megha. That was great. Okay, so Heather is another film, and Heather is again releasing on the 2nd of October. All right, moving on now to the next film that you should watch out for, Finding Fanny. Finding Fanny is an English language film that has been directed by Homi Adjania. Now, Homi Adjania, as you know, has directed Being Cyrus, which was a psychological drama, and the film did not do commercially very well, but the film received a lot of praise from critics. And his next venture was Cocktail, which was written by Imtiaz Ali, but Cocktail had some great songs, and the debutante Diana Penty was there in that film besides Saif and Deepika. So his next is Finding Fanny, and this film too promises to be an amazing film to watch. The film is releasing in September itself. It's releasing on the 12th of September, and I'm waiting to watch that film. But first, take a look at the trailer.
प्यार वाले दिन सारे वे खत लिख के गुजारे वे ओ फैनी रे
Listen, Footy, we have to find Fanny. No. Do you want to die never knowing what happened to the only person you spent your whole life wanting to be with? Then
I don't want to die.
I don't trust this hooligan to drive us safely.
Shut up! सुख जिंदगी दे सारे वे
what are you doing?
We're looking for Stephanie Fernandez.
Fanny!
ओ फैनी रे ओ फैनी रे
Actors like Nasiruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia and Pankaj Kapoor in one film. I mean, I don't know why I even have to convince you to go to the halls to watch that film. That star cast is enough. And in fact, Karan Johar, who is a very close friend of Homi Adjania, has said that this will really open up the scene and the market for Indian films in English. And that's, of course, another reason why I'm also looking forward to watching that film. Now, this film basically narrates the story of 5 odd people who set out on a journey to find someone called Stephanie Fernandez. And during that journey, they discover things about themselves in their otherwise meaningless or pointless lives. So it seems to be very interesting. It seems to be that there seems to be elements of humor in the film, but also I'm sure with actors like Pankaj Kapoor, Nasiruddin Shah, I'm sure they will tug at our heartstrings somewhere. So let's take a look at what people who are out there are thinking of when they hear of Finding Fanny.
Because of Arjun Kapoor, that is why I'm gonna watch Finding Fanny. Deepika is a hot chick there. Every time she's a hot chick.
Arjun Kapoor is very hot, and I think the movie is gonna be it's like an eye candy to me. So yeah, it's gonna be good and entertaining.
I love Deepika Padukone, and I love the way she's being dressed up in this movie.
Okay, I talked of Pankaj Kapoor, I talked of Nasiruddin Shah, I talked of Dimple Kapadia, and everybody out there talked of Arjun Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. So, well, I guess I'm getting old. But then I have another person with me who I hope will agree that Pankaj Kapoor and Nasiruddin Shah also should be the reason. We have Manal again of India Post Live, and also someone who, like me, loves watching films. Manal, hi. Hi, I can't hear you, Manal. I think you'll have to unmute.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me
Okay.
now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Manal, my reasons for watching is of course the star cast. Of course the star cast. Yes, I did like Arjun Kapoor in that film with Pariniti, the honor killing film. Which was the film? I've forgotten. Anyway.
Ishaqzade.
Ishaqzade, yes, I loved Arjun in that film. Thank you. And but then Pankaj Kapoor and Nasiruddin Shah were enough. I mean, I wouldn't need a Deepika or an Arjun. But what about you? Why are you waiting for Finding Fanny?
Yeah, I mean, I got extremely excited when I saw Pankaj Kapoor on screen, and I really, really wanted to see the movie because there's Pankaj Kapoor and Nasiruddin Shah.
Thank you.
And the trailer just looks so much fun. I mean, the songs are fun. The trailer is so much fun, and you can just have a great time watching this movie, I think.
All right. So okay, let me try and bring in Megha now. Very quickly, Megha, Finding Fanny. Your quick thoughts on why you want to watch the film.
It's very different from the present Bollywood scenario.
Yeah.
Definitely an English talking movie after a long time.
Yeah.
And that is the main reason, I guess.
All right. Thank you.
And
Star cast, yes, of course. All of us agree that the star cast is a very, very big reason why we all want to watch that film. That film, once again, is releasing on the 12th of September and directed by Homi Adjania and starring Arjun Kapoor, Deepika, Pankaj, Dimple and of course Nasiruddin Shah. Let's move on to the next thing that we have. Wow, there are actually so many wonderful movies coming up till Diwali, before Diwali. And of course, the next film is Happy New Year. Now, that film, we did a show when the trailer was out. You remember the trailer of Happy New Year created a huge buzz on social media. The trailer, in fact, some lucky people got the trailer on their WhatsApp. There was a WhatsApp release of the trailer. And of course, it's the winning combination of Farah Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. So it promises to be a mega blockbuster. It has a host of stars. It has Sonu Sood in it. It has a lot of other actors. Let's quickly take a look at the trailer before we move on.
दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, विनर्स एंड लूजर्स। लेकिन जिंदगी हर लूजर को वो एक मौका जरूर देती है जिसमें वो विनर बन सकता है। ये कहानी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चोरी की है। It was all about a handful of diamonds. 6 लूजर्स एक डांस कंपटीशन में डांस करने के बजाय करोड़ों रुपए के हीरे चुराएंगे। मिशन हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से।
Shahrukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan, Sonu Sood, Boman Irani, Vivan Shah. Now, all these people are somehow managed to get into a dance competition, but their agenda is something else. Their agenda is to steal diamonds. I wonder what that will be like. It's somehow, it reminds me of Ocean's 11. Ocean's 11 is one of my all-time favorite films. Needless to say, the combination of George Clooney and Brad Pitt. I wonder if Shah Rukh and Farah will be able to recreate that magic. Also, let me tell you that the India Wale song, that also is something that was trending on Twitter. And that song, in fact, is going to be released tonight, later tonight. So that is something that also one can look forward to. So on Facebook, we have a lot of reactions coming in to that film, Happy New Year. It promises to be a huge hit. I hate those who hate SRK. All right. Thank you, Bazigar. One man can rule Bollywood and he is SRK. I challenge all Salman Khans. This movie will break Kick's record, etc., etc. Happy New Year will be the best film of 2014. Eagerly waiting for the India Wale song. Best wishes. Waiting for this for a year. Get ready to dance with India Wale at 9:10 Pakistan. Of course, Pakistan is also waiting for that film. Only 6 hours remaining. Okay, so those are the reactions we have about the song India Wale, which is going to be released later tonight. And what about people? What are they waiting for? Let's take a look.
I'm going to watch Happy New Year because it's a Shah Rukh Khan movie and I think it earned more than 300 crores.
I'll watch Happy New Year just because of Shah Rukh Khan.
I'm going to watch Happy New Year because I'm a crazy fan of Shah Rukh Khan, so I don't care if the script is good or bad. If it's Shah Rukh, I'm watching it.
Shah Rukh Khan is a man who made his life by his own. I am the man who is making my life by my own.
All right. So many people are going to watch the film because of Shah Rukh Khan, and if I go to watch the film, it will definitely just to experience the extravaganza that Farah Khan always manages to put up. But let me find out why Manal wants to watch it. I can tell you, Manal is my colleague in India Post Live, and she is another crazy Shah Rukh Khan fan like that girl we just heard out there. So Manal, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, Manal. Okay, there you are. I want to know, yeah, you're already smiling. Just the talk of Happy New Year and you're giggling like a schoolgirl. Grow up.
It's not Shah Rukh. It's Shah Rukh Khan, not Happy New Year actually. But yeah.
All right, all right. So, besides Shah Rukh, see, I know the first reason is Shah Rukh. Yeah. Besides Shah Rukh, what are you waiting for in Happy New Year?
I think Deepika, because in Chennai Express, I really enjoyed her acting, and I think she has grown as an actor. I mean, from the first film that she's done, that was again a Farah Khan film. So I think she can be interesting. There's Boman Irani. We can only hope for Abhishek Bachchan and and
that's
then also
mean. That is so mean. I mean, didn't you like Abhishek Bachchan in Bunty or Bubbly?
Yeah, but that was ages ago.
That was in
so
2004,
long.
if I'm not
And
mistaken.
it's 2014. It's been 10 years. So we are.
Even Shah Rukh Khan has become older. Shah Rukh Khan is also 48.
But we had a film we had a great film from him, yeah, last year, Chennai Express. So
you like Chennai Express? Okay.
yeah, I enjoyed Chennai Express. I mean, it was obviously not a very smart film, but it was a fun film. And then, of course, there's Naseeruddin Shah's son, who's coming in this film. So yeah.
So that's how you're justifying it. Naseeruddin Shah's son. So that's how you're justifying it. Well, like in Finding Fanny, you have Naseeruddin Shah. So I mean, for me, my numbers are up for Finding Fanny, not so much for Happy New Year. You're obviously.
Yeah, actually, the trailer of Happy New Year was sort of a letdown because I was expecting something better.
Yeah.
But let's see. Maybe the trailer was not that good, and maybe the film will be better.
All right, all right. Okay, now on India Post Live, let us show you, and this especially has been compiled for you by Manal, reasons why you must watch Happy New Year. Manal wants you to know, wants to tell you why you should watch Happy New Year, why you simply cannot afford to miss this film. The last Deepika Shah Rukh starrer Chennai Express collected 227 crore rupees despite mixed reviews. She was kind enough to say that there were mixed reviews, okay, from critics. The rom-com was loved by the audience. This is Farah Khan's third film with SRK, Om Shanti Om and Main Hoon Na. They also were good earners. So it is basically, it's a winning combination, all right. This film is about dancing and stars competing. Expect some amazing moves from the stars. And you have Sonu Sood and Abhishek Bachchan besides the Shah Rukh and Deepika. Boman Irani, of course. And a choreographer is the director. Rumours of a cameo by Malaika Khan and an item number by Deepika in the Anurag Kashyap production. Vishal Dadlani has given the music. I think there are already 3 reasons in that one reason that she's given. All right. This is, of course, Manal's handiwork. She says, you get to see King Khan on the silver screen after a year. Need we say more? All right. So those are the reasons why, according to Manal and according to many of us, you cannot simply afford to miss Happy New Year. So all the best. That film is called Happy New Year, but it is a Diwali release. It is releasing on the 23rd of October. So yes, a bit of a wait there, but definitely a film worth waiting for, I suppose. All right, moving on to our last film, Rang Rasiya. Can you imagine? The film has waited 6 years to be released. The film was ready in 2008. It's 2014 and Ketan Mehta finally will see the release of the film. The film will be released by Jayantilal Gada of Pen India, and again this movie is clashing with Happy New Year. It's clashing with the Shah Rukh Khan starrer Happy New Year. It is releasing on Diwali on the 23rd of October. Take a look at the film first.
मिस्टर रवि वर्मा, आप पर अश्लीलता और लोगों की भावनाओं को चोट पहुंचाने का इल्जाम है। क्या आपको ये गुनाह कबूल है?
जी नहीं, योर ऑनर।
देवताओं की तस्वीर बनाने की अनुमति आपको किसने दी?
स्वयं देवताओं ने।
रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया.
So, Rang Rasiya is based on the life of 19th century painter Raja Ravi Verma. Now, that film got into many controversies over the years, especially for the sensuous scenes between the two protagonists. Randeep Hooda, a seasoned actor, he started his career in theatre before moving on to films. He plays the role of Raja Ravi Verma, and his muse Sugandha is played by Nandana Sen. And sensuous scenes is what caused a lot of controversy in the film. And you have some comments, Facebook comments on that particular film, as you can see. So, Nandana Sen, in fact, is newly married and she is enjoying her married life in New York. But she has been asked to fly down from New York to promote the film now that the film is finally going to be released. All right, so I have Megha with me. Megha, tell me, why are you so excited about Rang Rasiya?
Again, it has a different. It is a kind of very serious movie.
Yeah.
Like, apart from all these action and whatever we are getting till now, like the 5 movies we discussed till now, 4
Right.
movies, was maximum of them were about action and entertainment sort of. This is a kind of something theme-based, ethical movie. Different. That can be the reason.
All right. So are you excited about the fact that, you know, you've had so many biopics releasing, you know, Bhag Milkha Bhag, you have Mary Kom releasing this Friday. Biopics are really doing well, and this also is a biopic. It's about the life of 19th century painter Raja Ravi Verma. So are you excited about that also? Do you think this biopic will work?
Yeah, I definitely think, because as per my personal experience, what I have found, these movies generally, they actually affect the personal life. Like Bhag Milkha Bhag, it really had a great impact on my life. So I find these biopics to be very important. Like such movies should come in market and we should watch them. We must watch them.
Great. Thank you so much, Megha. Thank you so much for joining us on India Post Live. It was great having you with your inputs. I can tell you that I would love to watch Rang Rasiya because basically I have a lot of faith in Ketan Mehta, and also Randeep Hooda happens to be one of my favorite actors. I think he's done some wonderful work in the past few years. So, okay, those were the 5 films we had for you. Films that you must watch out for till Diwali. And those are 5 some wonderful films, big stars, big actors, lovely star cast, lovely directors, seasoned actors. So, keep your weekends free, and through India Post Live, we will bring you all the information about the films that are coming up. Of course, on Thursday, watch out for our preview of Mary Kom. And write in to us at indiapostlive.com with your comments, your own reviews about these films that we talked about once you've watched them. We would love to hear from you, and also tweet us at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.